Today we are going to make a Royal Blue Deluxe Kilts. Before starting the manufacturing, we need important instruments like fabric, thread, a sewing machine, scissors, pins, a measuring tape, ruler, leather straps, D-rings and buttons. First we take a fabric and cut it according to the customer size requirements. After that, we make a plain front apron. Then we mark the pleats and cut it according to the need. We pin the pleats and stitch across the top to secure them inside the kilt. After making pleats, we made the flap pockets and stitched them on both sides. Then we cut small loops and sewn on the waist area. We also attach D-rings with these loops. We take leather straps and sewn them on both sides for kilt closure. In the last, we took snap buttons and punched on the leather straps and flap of pockets.